To link Uinta Basin's waxy crude oil production with the Salt Lake area refineries, Uinta Express Pipeline Company, a subsidiary of Tesoro Refining and Marketing, is proposing to build the Uinta Express Pipeline. The proposed project will consist of an approximately 135-mile, 12-inch buried pipeline and ancillary facilities, such as pump stations and valves. It will be a common carrier pipeline, meaning that anyone can ship waxy crude product on it. The pipeline's capacity is expected to be around 60,000 barrels per day, the approximate amount of product that is currently being used by the refineries in the Salt Lake area. However, this amount may increase based upon future conversations with the refiners and in connection with currently permitted waxy crude usage. So why build the pipeline? There are currently no existing pipelines that are suitable to move this product to market. A pipeline is a safe and more efficient way to transport the waxy crude. A pipeline will remove about 250 tanker trucks per day from the road that are currently making round trips from Uinta Basin to the Salt Lake area refineries, which will help reduce impacts to our highways and roads. So what is Utah waxy crude? Utah waxy crude is high-quality crude oil from Uinta Basin. It is cleaner to process than other types of crude oil because it is lower in sulfur and metals. The low sulfur content results in even lower than typical emissions of sulfur dioxide in the refining process. The waxy crude is an extremely paraffinic material that, when allowed to cool to ambient temperatures, it hardens similar to candle wax. It is a conventional crude oil and is not produced from tar sands. So how will the pipeline be built to accommodate this special type of crude oil? The waxy crude will be heated at its origin station and will have a flow rate that keeps it moving in liquid form through an insulated pipe. Uinta Express Pipeline Company is looking into two different types of technology to prevent the crude from solidifying should the continuous flow be paused or disrupted. One option being considered is an electric heat trace that could be turned on as needed. Another option is displacing the waxy crude into approximately 4 different heated storage tanks strategically located along the pipeline route. Further analysis will be conducted to determine which option would be used. Over the next year, Uinta Express Pipeline Company will be working with the U.S. Forest Service, the environmental lead agency on the project, to look at route options and construction considerations, and to conduct extensive environmental studies as part of the National Environmental Policy Act, or NEPA. As part of this process, an environmental impact study will be completed. We'd like to hear from you. We invite you to share your input. So welcome, and thank you for your time.